In front of me is SONY Xperia 5.2, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you need to open your browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Tap on More icon and select History. Here you will notice Clear Browsing Data, and you've got Basic and Advanced options. So under Basic you can find Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. If you'll switch to Advanced, you'll be able to find few more, which are Saved Passwords, Out of Inform Data, and Site Settings. Just mark those that you would like to remove, and as it's for me, I would like to remove everything, and I would like to perform the whole browsing history cleaning, so I would like to remove everything. That's why I marked everything. Then just select the time range. I will choose all time, but obviously you can pick some lower period of time. I will pick all time, and then just click on Clear Data. And as you can see, from now on there is no longer history here, no data connected with your browser, and you've got the fresh start. So this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.